So I broke my hair dryer. And this hair dryer I was actually gifted in like 2017. So I ended up having to repurchase another one. Well, I didn't really have to, but I didn't know you could replace the hose. So I actually bought the whole new set. And this is the RevAir reverse dryer. So I am going to open it and share it with you all. Like I said, I didn't have to buy this, but after I broke my dryer, I tried to use like my handheld dryer to blow dry my hair after I washed it. I'm not gonna lie, I think it took me like 2.5 hours, maybe three. I had to take hella breaks because my arm was hurting. It was just difficult to get like the comb through there. And I was just over it because I've been using the RevAir for so many years. I was used to like blow drying my hair in like 45 to an hour. And I just couldn't take it anymore. So I literally broke down and just bought the new dryer. So we're going to open all the packaging together. Ugh, it's pretty heavy. So you can kind of see a little bit of it comes in this packaging. Oh, it's throwing the cover off a little bit. And comes in, well, you get like this little carrier and a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay, this is gonna take me a minute. Hold on. I threw my other blow dryer away because it was just so big and it takes up so much space. I didn't really feel like I needed to keep it. But for reference, I want to show y'all how big the original carrier was. This shit is huge. This is huge. Um, and this is the new one. So if you're just looking at like a size comparison, like look how large the original carrier is for the smaller one. This one did not. It was literally just a blank space. So I kind of used it for storage too. And the box just says, "Hello, beautiful." Hey, girl. And then just did, they were doing like a promo. So you got like some of their hair products. Can't really say for sure I'm gonna use it or not, but pre-wash rinse. So I didn't buy those. I think those were part of a trio set. So nice little freebies to have. But the moment of truth is just looking at how small this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so tiny. No, it's just so small and it's lightweight. Just for size reference, if you put the original in this, it filled up the entire box. Look at how much space is in there. You have the nozzle. There is a handle now. You finally can attach this to here when you're blow drying. So you don't have, it just would go all over the place. And then you have your hose for me. So let me put it all together really quickly. Pretty much it. And everything fits in the carrier. Shout out to them because while I really appreciate the first one and it's what introduced me to the whole brand, this is going to be a game changer because that other one was just way too damn big. And so from what I hear, it really does reduce the drying time even more than the original one. And I think that was going to be possible. So I'll be able to really like report on the drying time and if it really stretches my hair better than the original one. So I'll give y'all an update on how it really works. But if the original functionality is still there, I can already tell you, I know my drying time is not going to be 2 to 3 hours. So